Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. In this video, I'll show you how you can send feature requests in LifterLMS. In LifterLMS, we have a great advanced features, but if you are looking for any features that should be available in LifterLMS, that time you can send us this feature request. So you have to just fill up this form, and when you will send us feature request, we will add that on our Trello board. So to add feature request, if you visit our website and on the footer section, you will see we have an option feature request. You have to just click on here. And when you will click on here, it will redirect you to this form. You have to just submit this form. We will also add this form link on this video description. So you have to just fill up this form and you have to send this to us. You have to add your name in this form. You have to add your email address. Also, you have to add your message about the features you are looking for. You have to add some details, some descriptions about the features you are looking for. And then you have to just submit it. So this is a simple process. You can send us feature request following this process. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.